My dear students, in the previous video we have discussed human circulatory system, and there we discussed that human circulatory system, it consists of three components: blood, blood vessels, and the third component, human heart. We have already studied blood in detail. Now in this very video we are going to study blood vessels. Now blood vessels are structures, tube-like structures in the body of an animal through which blood circulates. It is as simple as such. They are simply tube-like structures in the body of an animal through which blood circulates. There are basically three kinds of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. So first we are going to study artery and vein in a comparative manner. So let us have a look at this diagram. This diagram is a cross section of artery and vein, and here you can clearly see that it consists of a wall, the wall of artery, see this one, the wall of vein like this, and then an empty space enclosed within this wall. This empty space that is here, like this one, all this is called lumen. So lumen is the empty space enclosed within the wall, and through this lumen only blood flows. Here this all is lumen, and in this case this is also lumen. All this is lumen. Okay, now if you closely look at the diagram, you can actually find out that the thickness of artery wall is more compared to vein. Can you see? The wall of artery is thicker and the wall of vein is thinner. So here we have got the first difference between artery and vein. Second difference, in case of artery the lumen is smaller. See, the lumen is small in case of artery, this, but in case of vein, see, the lumen is big. Okay, so here we get the second difference in terms of lumen, and because in artery the lumen is small, the pressure of blood flowing through artery is very high compared to vein. It is simple physics. The volume is less, what will happen? Pressure increases. So you will see that here, because the volume is less, the blood pressure is high, and in this case, because the volume is more, the blood pressure is low. Then certain more differences based on pressure only. Because blood is flowing under high pressure in case of an artery, so if you happen to get a cut in artery, what will happen? Blood will come out from artery in the form of jerks, because blood is flowing under high pressure. So blood jerks के form में बाहर आएगा, झटके के साथ, in the form of a fountain, because the blood that is flowing in artery is under high pressure. The blood flow pressure is very high. But in case of vein, if there is a cut, so blood will not come out in jerks, not in the form of a fountain. It will simply ooze out. So from the cut also you can differentiate whether this is artery or vein. Then again, based on pressure only, you see, because the wall of artery is thicker, So even if blood is not flowing in an artery, it never gets collapse. आर्टरी कभी चिपकती नहीं, कोलैप्स नहीं होती. On the other hand, if blood is not flowing in vein, because the wall is very thin, it will get collapse. So this is one more difference. Then let's have a look at a comparative table to find out more differences. Arteries, they always moves blood away from the heart. They always takes blood away from the heart. On the other hand, veins, they carry blood towards the heart. आर्टरी हार्ट से दूर ले जाती है ब्लड, एंड वेन हार्ट की तरफ ले जाती है, हार्ट की ओर ले जाती है ब्लड. दिस इज वन मोर डिफरेंस. देन आर्टरीज, दे ऑलवेज carry oxygenated blood, blood that is rich in oxygen, except pulmonary artery. Veins, they always carry deoxygenated blood. Here also one exception, pulmonary vein. So see, by now we have studied 5-6 difference. Then more differences. Arteries are deep seated in the body. बॉडी में अंदर की तरफ होती हैं. बट वेन्स आर सुपरफिशियल, नियर द सरफेस ऑफ द बॉडी. देन कमिंग टू कलर ऑफ ब्लड फ्लोइंग इन आर्टरी एंड वेन. बिकॉज ब्लड फ्लोइंग इन आर्टरी इज ऑक्सीजनेटेड, if blood is taken from an artery, the color is bright red. And because blood flowing in vein is deoxygenated, the color of blood is bluish type. Then arteries, they are for distributing blood. They distribute blood to the entire body organs. On the other hand, veins, they collect blood. So one is for distribution and one is for collection. And then one very important difference, arteries, they do not have valves. Arteries में valves नहीं होते हैं. Valves are structures that ensure unidirectional flow of something. सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में कोई चीज़ फ्लो करती है. So arteries, they do not have valves. Valves are absent. And veins, they have valves. So these are basic differences between arteries and veins. You don't need to, if it is asked in the exam, you don't need to draw all these layers. To draw an artery, simply do like this. Make a tube like this, thick wall. Make the wall thick and lumen is small like this. This is an artery. And to draw a vein, simply a thin wall structure. Simply like this, sorry, a thin wall structure like this with a big lumen. So thicker wall for artery, small lumen, thick wall like this. This is artery. Big lumen, thin wall, vein. This diagram will get you full marks, no issue. You don't need to show these all different layers of the wall. Fine. Then now let us discuss about the third component, that is capillaries. Capillaries are also blood vessels. They are also blood vessels. They are single cell thick blood vessels. And there is a requirement of capillaries for exchange of material between tissues and blood. Now, how capillaries are formed and what is the relation between artery, vein and capillaries, you will get it from this diagram. See, blood comes from the heart line.